All right. Who wants a bud? All right, we gotta have a bud.
Budweiser.
Actually, we're gonna do a Bud beer burger. All right. We're gonna use, I guess, the #1 beer in the world. No, don't quote me on that, but you guys know it. Budweiser is everywhere across the planet. So we're gonna make a beer Bud burger or a Bud burger. You call it the way you want. And let's show you how we do it. It's kind of real simple, right?
It's king of beers.
So
all right,
we're gonna start out with some
here I'll hide off.
ground beef.
All right.
This is like 80-20, 85-15 or whatever.
3 pounds in here.
Yeah, you want at least 15-20% of fat in here, right? So
What, 3 pounds, you think?
yeah, that's about 3 pounds.
That's 3
all right?
pounds.
Now here's the kicker. Take that Budweiser there.
Drink it? Oh, right
Yeah,
now.
you can drink it.
Okay,
if you
fine.
want. You can drink it. No, we're going to put about maybe 8 ounces, 10 ounces, more or less, right in to the ground beef.
Okay.
Right. And we're not seasoning the burger either. So about 8
a
ounces,
little bit more. A little bit more.
All right, so now give it a mix.
Get in there.
I know this is crazy for some of you, but no, this actually works very well. We did something similar to this that we got from the Guinness chefs and making meatballs.
Yep.
And they put Guinness in their meatballs. It was absolutely outrageous. So you just give it a good mix. Right?
Budweiser was a staple at every barbecue.
That's it. Once you add a little bit more Bud in there, you know.
The war didn't take off with it. I thought he was
So
going
we
to take
gotta-
it and run.
I'm thinking
go.
about it.
Yep.
All right.
All right.
There we go.
Now, of course, if you insist to not use Budweiser, well, use your favorite beer. You know, I mean, that's up to you, but actually this works very well.
All right.
All right, so all we have to do now is make some patties. All right, so we got a few of us around here. I think we're getting hungry for sure. We even got some in the background here. All right, make these. All right.
What size do you think?
Yeah, about
What you got
palm
right there.
size, right there.
Yeah.
That's good.
All right.
That's good.
Since you got the gloves on, you keep on rolling your balls.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay. So keep them going.
I love the warden's innuendos.
Yeah. So while we're waiting for the chef to do this, looks like it's going to take forever. I think we get to. I think we get to have a beer, but I don't know.
There's some in the cooler.
Very cool.
With this, that's
You need one?
Yeah, I think I need one. I'm the camera guy, right? You know, so you got to pay me something.
You got to keep your help and your camera
There you go.
happy. So there you go,
There
sir.
you go. Thank you very much. This one's for you.
right.
You got enough beer?
Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're good. Now, we haven't seasoned this. I'm sure some of you guys already noticed. You know, and you're probably complaining. Oh, ground beef, no seasoning? You're supposed to put seasoning in it. Oh, man.
Oh,
here we
food
come.
police.
Food police.
No,
That's type of.
that's the fire department. When they smell us cooking, they're on their way.
When the smoke is rolling, they're showing.
Yeah, that's right.
All right.
That's
You know
cool.
what? Let's see here.
All right.
A little bit one here.
So, here come the police.
I just want to get to make sure they're all.
All right. Pretty good.
It's not supposed to be perfect,
And
right?
add that to that one.
Yep.
All right.
There we go. So we want to flatten them out because we're not doing meatballs, and
Get this out of your way.
we're going to place these opposite the hot coals. We do not want to go direct over the flame. In fact, we got some bacon going on there. Maybe one of you guys can take that off. Don't burn yourself. It's hot. There we go.
Oh, save!
There we saved it. Of course, he's got third-degree burns, but that was saved. All right. So.
Boy just made a great save.
All right, so we'll put these again indirect opposite the hot coals, right? So we'll put them over here because we don't want to bust them up by putting over direct hot coals at first. So we'll just gently placing these guys.
So to start on this end.
Yep,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know I could have done that. Too. Oh yeah. Here.
yep. There we go.
We bring the professionals
There we
in.
go.
They know what they're doing.
Look at that. Now look how that sunlight comes through the leaves. Are we doing something like spiritual or religious? Otherwise it's dark in here, right?
Yeah.
But there we go. So again, line them up indirect.
We have that.
Yep.
Make some more room.
Yep. There you go.
Yep.
Hear that sizzle?
Yep.
There you go.
There we go. Nice. Now take some of that SPG and you can start hitting the top with the SPG. Yep. Or use your favorite seasoning. At least get salt and pepper on your burger or your favorite seasoning. And as most of you know, we always use our SPG on beef for sure. So there we go.
Oh man, that smells good.
Beautiful. Now we'll hit it with the SPG.
These are going to be some
cool.
malty burgers.
Anything else, sir?
Nice. Nope.
All right.
Put the cover on, sit back, relax, have a cold one. It won't take long before we flip it.
All right.
All right, so time to flip these
All
burgers. And Jitterbug showed up to do the burger flipping.
You know,
Here we
gotta do
go.
the important stuff.
There we go.
Easy.
Yep.
Go slow. Go slow.
Yeah, that's it.
You gotta get careful.
All right.
Gotta be careful with those Budweiser burgers.
A lot of moisture in them.
Here we go. Oh, yeah. Smells good.
You're the king of flippers.
You want
King of
moist
the
burgers?
burger
You got to check out these Bud burgers, man. All right, hit it with a little more of our SPG, I think. We're just seasoning the outside, so we got layers of flavor, right?
Layers of flavor.
There we
Don't
go.
know about that.
A little bit.
Yep. All right.
You gotta go easy with the SPG.
Got the salt, pepper. It's got garlic flake in it. It's got a little pepper flake. All right.
You ready to close them up?
Got it.
Thumbs in there, boys.
That's it. Only a few more minutes. Cool.
Sorry about that.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
rookies
yeah.
Can't resist a worm. Rookies always.
Doing
I'll
that?
be the official lid flipper.
All right.
All right, they're coming.
These are the bottoms.
Just about ready to pull off the
Right, so
grill.
these are the
So we're just
bottoms
going
of
to
this
freshen up these buns a little bit, right?
Push the burger.
Perfect. Yep.
Good technique there.
There we go.
Push that burger.
Be careful, it'll only take a minute or two to do.
Let's get that out. Get some juices in there. Okay.
Perfect,
That
perfect. All right.
Yeah, don't go quick over the direct heat.
Okay. You don't have to put the cover on either.
No. We gotta watch them.
Yep, just keep going. Beautiful. Here we go.
The bottoms.
All right, we'll get the bottoms in one place. Looks like they are showing up.
My hands aren't burning at all. It's pretty
No,
good.
no,
Yeah,
okay.
no, it's fine. I'm doing it. What do you say? Woo!
Yeah, after years of doing barbecue, your hands get
calluses.
calluses on them. The heat doesn't bother you. You know, perfect, perfect.
Oh, that one almost got away.
All right,
Almost
chefs,
got away.
why don't you put some cheese?
All right.
So this is a deluxe Bud burger, so it comes with cheese. Now, of course, you can get these at your local pub. Likely not. But ask the beer tender and your cook at the local pub to make one of these up. All they need is a little bit of Bud. Mixed in with the ground beef, and it's good. All right, we'll
Cover it.
with the cheese, yep. All right, the buns have been toasted. Wait a couple more minutes.
Okay.
All right, I say these burgers are done. Oh, man, look at that.
Those are the bottom.
That's
right?
it.
Those six.
That's it. So here we go.
Beautiful.
Get that. Beautiful. This is real easy to do. All right. There we go. That's a beautiful thing.
Beauty.
All right, now, this is where you get to add a few condiments, right? Now, we did make some bacon, all right, so we can have a beer Bud bacon burger, or call it what you want, and we can do that. So let me, let's get some dressings here. Here we go.
Is that the cut?
Here we go. Maybe we can take that off of there. Some of this will be cut from the raw here.
Onions.
Yep.
Never-ending gobstopper.
Let's put this together, man. All right.
Okay.
So, you can add more
Bacons.
SPG if you want. We got some jalapenos here, of course. We got some crispy fried onions that go great. That's all optional. A little bit of mayonnaise. Choose what you want for your condiments, but pretty much straight Budweiser is all you need on this. So, all right, let's do this. You guys can start putting it together. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh, mayonnaise in a bowl.
Where's he now?
Oh, man. Good.
Man, something else.
You got some
Yeah, there you go.
tomato here too. We want to put a little tomato.
Is that all you need is Budweiser?
So all you need is
Fresh
Budweiser.
garden tomato.
Just gotta soak the fun a little bit.
Yep. That's a plain,
Finest spirits.
good. We got some sweet Vidalia onions here, right? We got some garden fresh tomatoes. It's the time of the year. Go fresh when you can. Man, that's the fun part.
Soak the bread. Joey Chestnut.
Now you got some bacon over there if you want. Put it on. Slice of tomato. Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
How that work to peel that onion? You got to drop it.
Man
Yeah, yeah.
down.
Jesus, Joe.
There you go.
Beer, keep your hands steady.
No shakes. That's a problem right there.
All right. Cool. Beautiful. This is a beautiful thing.
All right, we need to
So,
show a close up of one of these here.
So this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you. The cameraman gets nothing because they don't pay us.
Right, here we go.
Right. So all right, let's do this.
Got to have the thumbnail shot, right? Every
right.
video, we got to have our thumbnail.
There
Yeah,
we go.
there we go. There it is.
Perfect.
Right there. All right.
Perfect. Oh man. We're eating good tonight, Martha.
Use that beer. You have to taste the beer. Beer.
Man, I tell you. Yeah.
You guys don't even know.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
just putting it in the bun.
Yeah.
What's the key on that one?
Yeah. But that's extra.
I got the full.
That's like a
This is
shot of
America.
tequila at the bar. They charge you like $5
This
for
is
that.
America.
It is.
Wow.
You're right.
Wow.
You're right. And it's real easy to do. That's the good part, man.
It's so good. You want a moist
These were-
burger?
Yep.
That is the way to do a burger
Yep.
right there.
Moist is good.
Man,
Totally takes that beer flavor on. Awesome.
it is.
With a jalapeno.
Mm-hmm.
And again, if you're not doing the bud thing, that's fine, right? But choose your favorite beer.
Yeah.
You know.
You can taste it, Mo.
Might be a little much for that IPA.
Yeah, but
Well, you know.
Teach their own though. Teach their own.
All right.
beautiful.
Like,
No, whatever.
and cut it.
If you want
Yeah, I want to do that.
to make one real pretty, and we can.
What do you want on it?
We'll load the whole. We'll do every
Yeah.
freaking
Slice
condiment
of
here. I got
tomato,
more. I got more
an
onion.
onion showing up.
Oh, you really teach mine.
Yeah.
I'm yelling at consider bud.
Yep. Yeah. Big slices of onions on there. Okay. That's good.
A little bacon.
A little bit of mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise on bun. Yeah. We gotta put some. Actually.
All right. A little fried onion on there too.
All right.
Mayo on the
Oh, you
bun.
want some of these? Just keep going.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh my god. Whoa. Okay.
How's that for lunch?
That's for Brent.
Oh, darn. Cool. Beautiful.
I'm gonna take some pictures of that too.
Yeah, let's get some stills out of that. I'm going to cut this right now.